So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is evaluate integral from 0 to 6 1 upon 1 plus x square is a function f of x. Now we have to integrate this, okay, dx with 6 subintervals by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. So we have to solve this, or we have to evaluate this problem using Simpson's 1/3 rule formula. So first what you all do is you all can take down the question, that is evaluate integral from 0 to 6 1 upon 1 plus x square dx with 6 subintervals by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. So here this is your lower limit a and this is your upper limit b. Remember this. Your f of x is a function that is 1 upon 1 plus x square, that you all have to write it over here. 1 upon 1 plus x square, and next is your here is your upper limit is 6, lower limit is 0, so 6 minus 0 upon six subintervals. How many intervals are the total? 6. So n is nothing but 6. Basically you all are getting 6 upon 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. Let us turn the page. We can see that x is nothing but from 0 to 6. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we have taken. Now this is nothing but f of x is equal to y. How you got this function? Y for 0 it is 1. How come? Okay, let me tell you all this. For this one, if you in place of x, if you replace x by 0, you are going to get 1 upon 1 plus 0 the whole square, which is nothing but 1 upon 1, which is nothing but 1. So this is way you get 1 over here. Okay, then in place of x you have to replace x by 1 and then see what answer you are going to get. If you replace x by 1, you are getting 1 upon 1 plus 1 the whole square, which means that you are getting 1 upon 1 plus 1, which means that 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 if you divide, you will get 0.5. I hope you all know how to divide this. Okay, like 2 divided by 1. So if you plug 0, it will be 0.25s are 10, like this way it is. Okay, so this is how you get 0. Then put x is equal to 2 and see what answer you are going to get. If you replace x by 2, this equation will turn into what? 1 upon 1 plus 2 square is nothing but 4, so it will be 1 upon 5. Then you have to divide this and see 5 and 1, so it will be 0 point, here it will be 0 and here it will be 2. Because 5 2s are, you will get 10 and then 0 0. So 0.2 you have got, right? 0.2. So this is the way you will get 0.2. So similar way you have to put x is equal to 3 and see, then x is equal to 4, x is equal to 5, x is equal to 6. So for third one you will get what? 0.1. For the fourth one 0.059. Fifth one you will get 0.038 and sixth one you will get 0.027. So like this way you have to do it and solve it and see. Okay, so I hope you have understood how you got these values, the value of y. Okay, now by Simpson's 1/3 rule. Now this is the formula for the Simpson's 1/3 rule. It is rule of formula 1 and the same. So integral from 0 to 6 f of x dx is equal to h upon 3 y0 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus y6, close the bracket. Now here you all can see that the f of x is nothing but 1 plus 1 upon x square. So the next page what I have done is integral from 0 to 6, your function f of x is nothing but 1 plus x square and then dx. Write this dx also, dx. Okay, so dx is equal to, then write rest as it is. Okay, this part is as it is. Okay, next is now h is nothing but what is the value of So here the value of h is equal to what we got is 1, right? Here h is nothing but 1, so you all have to plug 1 over here. Okay, so it is 1 upon 3 into, now bracket open. Now what is the value of y naught over here? Y naught is nothing but, what is y naught over here? Here this is y naught, so 1, right? So you all have to plug that value 1. 1 plus 4, then what you'll have to write 1 plus 4, and then y1 is nothing but 0.5, then y3 is 0.1, right? So write down 0.5 plus 0.1 plus, what is your y5? y5 is nothing but 0.038, so write down 0.038, close the bracket, write plus 2. Now what is your y1? What is your y1? y2 sorry, y2 it is, y2 is nothing but 0.2 and y4 is 0.059. So add this what you are getting, 0.5 it is, right? 0.2, okay, 0.2, don't close the bracket, okay, 0.2 plus 0.059, 0.059, then plus 5, y6 is nothing but 0.027, so 0.027, and then close the bracket. The next thing is, write 1 upon 3 as it is. Okay, 1 upon 3 as it is. Okay, so what you'll have to do is write down this 1 upon 3 as it is. Okay, over here. Then in the bracket, what is there? Open the bracket. Write 1 plus 4 multiplied by, now you all have to multiply with this number 0.5, 0.1, 0.038. So basically you all have to add these numbers and see what answer you are going to get. 0.5, 0.1, and next number is 0.038, right? You all have to add and see what answer you are getting. 8, 3, then 5 plus 1 is 6.0. So you are getting 0.638. So write down 0.638. After that you all have to write what? After this, then you all have to multiply, then plus 2. Then plus 2 multiplied by, okay, I'll have to rub this. Okay, so let me rub this part. So now you'll have to add these numbers and see 0.2 plus 0.059. Okay, so you are getting 5952.0, right? So plug 0.5, what it is? 259, right? 259, 0.259. After that, which number is there? Plus is there, right? Plus 0.027. So you'll have to plug plus 0.027. Close the bracket. Now write down 1 upon 3. Now here it is 1 plus. Now what you all do is 4 multiplied by this you all do. What answer you all are going to get is 2.552 plus, next is multiply 2 multiplied by this number and see what answer you all are getting. 0.518. Then plus this number. So after adding these numbers, you are getting 4.097. So 1 upon 3 multiplied by 4.097. Multiply this, cancel whatever is getting cancelled. Write the answer 1.366. So I hope you all have understood, and thanks for watching.